Let's dive into how to perform head tracking using the CapCut app on your iPhone or Android device. If you want the face or head to stay centered in your video, and you want the camera to follow the movement, just follow these steps. It's pretty straightforward. Before we get into camera tracking, make sure you've got the latest version of the CapCut app installed. Once you're ready, start by tapping on the video in the timeline to select it. Scroll through the available tools until you find the camera tracking option. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with two choices: AI movement and camera tracking. These options allow you to select what you'd like to track: head, body, hand, or even a custom object in your frame. To track a specific object, just position the rectangle over it. For this tutorial, we'll focus on head tracking. If there are multiple heads in the frame, tap on the one you want CapCut to track. The selected head will be marked by a small green square. Next, tap the track button and wait a few seconds while CapCut processes the video and sets up the keyframes. After this, a pop-up window will appear with additional options. You can adjust these to your liking. I recommend enabling the Fit Canvas option since CapCut may need to crop your video slightly to apply stabilization and other effects. Finally, play back your video, and you'll see the head tracking in action. This technique works with any video where a person or object is moving. It's a neat trick that you can use in various projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.